Hi, thanks for watching. In this screencast, I'm going to walk you through and show you how to add a full-width slideshow and Google Map to your pages using the Mobius WordPress theme, as you've probably seen in the demo. So here's how we do it. The first thing you'll want to do is to add the Advanced Custom Fields plugin. This is a really cool plugin if you haven't heard of it before. It's really a game changer in terms of extending WordPress as a CMS. So just click install now and download that. And once it's done, just activate it. That's all you really need to do, is just to install it. All the fields and features for the theme are bundled within the theme itself. So once you've installed that, just go to Pages, Add New, and we'll give this a custom title. And the first thing you'll want to do is to set the page template to backstretch slideshow page. Once you've selected the page template, you'll notice these options will appear for the Google Map and the backstretch slider. And just start typing an address to find a location. We'll find somewhere in New York. And you can drag this marker around if you need to fine-tune your location. By default, it's going to display the address above the marker on the front end. So if you want to change that, just go down here to the marker title section and change it to your company name. Alright, and that will display a Google Map on the page. So let's add a backstretch slider here. So just check this option. And you'll see some options which we'll go over in a few minutes, but the first thing you'll see here is to add a row. So let's add an image. Here I could use one of my previously uploaded images, but I want to show you how to do the cropping and some best practices for this type of slider. So we'll upload an image of our own. One place I've found that is really good for high resolution, good abstract photos is unsplash.com. As you can see here, there's just some really cool sceneries and abstracts and just all kinds of cool things. I mean, you could add text to these in Photoshop or something like that, but I'm going to download a couple of these. Let's say this one. And I saw another one I liked, this one. Okay, so I'll just drag these in here and upload one at a time. And before I select this image, I want to go ahead and click Edit, because I've got an idea about how tall this is going to be, and this is too much image to load in one slide anyways. So I've got high resolution to work with, so I'm going to draw a crop rectangle about the size that I want to display it at, and that looks about right. Just move it to where we want. You see here, this is the native resolution, 336 pixels. So if I want to get that down to 300, just type 300, and then I can drag this and position it where I want. The next thing is just click this little crop icon when you're finished, and be sure that all image sizes is checked, because we want to save the highest possible size to the main image. And click Save. I click Update, and I don't know if you need to, but we'll just close this tab out. And here we can enter a caption and click Select. So there's our first slide, and we could also enter in a URL. And we can add another one. I'll go through this once more. So we'll just drag and upload this image. Click Edit Image, and again, draw a crop rectangle. We were at 300. And that looks good about right there. And click the crop icon, click Save, and Update. So we'll select this image. And if you want to go back and edit the captions, if you just hover over the image here and just click this edit icon, you can type in your other caption. All right, so let me update this page. Once you've updated it and you've added your images, you can also drag to reorder these however you'd like. All right, so that should do it. Now let's just put some content on this page. I'm going to use one of our content templates. Okay, so I will disable comments and set the page style to wide and save. I'll click view page. And here's our slideshow with our captions and our Google map with the company name on there. I'm not seeing any navigation here that I wanted to see. It's just kind of on autoplay right now, so I'll go back to this page and make sure that hide the navigation is unchecked. And here we can change this height to 300, and then I think we're good. So refreshing. So we've got a little bit taller. Here's our navigation, our captions. I believe this one is linkable. Yeah. All good. So that's how you add the slideshow and a Google map to a page using advanced custom fields. Thanks for watching.